Nazmul Hossain Santokh, captain Bangladesh cricket team.
Tanjeem Hassan Tamim, batsman. Tawhid Hridoy, batsman. Afif Hussain Dhruvo, all-rounder. Sheikh Mehdi Hassan, spin bowler. Mahmudullah Riyad, all-rounder. Zakir Ali Onik, batsman and wicketkeeper. Liton Kumar Dhash, wicketkeeper, batsman. Farwaj Hussain Imon, wicketkeeper, batsman. Muhammad Saifuddin, all-rounder. Rishad Hussain, all-rounder. Tanjeem Hassan Saqib, fast bowler. Muhammad Shariful Islam, fast bowler. Taskin Ahmed, fast bowler. Tanveer Islam, spin bowler.